new Excel formula which is rank. So where we can use this formula if we want to provide the every month sales record, top 10 sales revenue, or top 10 customer names. So we can use this formula. And one more place we can use this thing, like if we want to give incentive on the basis of the regularity in office, or you can use in school also, at a school. So we can use this formula. So how to calculate this formula? Let's take example. Equal to rank, then number. So then firstly you have to select a first one, like how where you want to give the rank. In sales you can use the revenue column and select first revenue, then comma, then select whole range, then comma, zero, bracket close. But you have to freeze your range here, then you get the correct answer. Otherwise you just here. Now this is thing. So but firstly one thing you have to remember, if any duplicacy is here, so you get same rank for the two-person. Let's take one more example here. Okay, here is 268, here is 266. So if I copy this thing, like here, you can see, if I copy this one with this one, so here is the rank is 7. Okay, so here is two brand get same rank, or as per the list price. Okay, but let's assume you want to give, and you want to give the rank on the basis of thing. Okay, so now you just copy, now you copy the now you just copy the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You want to give the rank. Here you can use VLOOKUP, comma, you can select this one, comma, 3, comma, 0. Okay, just phrase this in here. Here in for the 7 they provide this one. For the 8 one, blank is column, just because 7 number is 2 times, that's why 8 is NA. But in here it is showing, sorry, not showing just because of the 7 are 2 times. So if the data is duplicate, so you can find error like this. So firstly we have to just change our little bit data. Like if you are providing the sales revenue, so you can just add, you can just changes the point, like here 4, you can just give 3, 9999. Okay, now you can see. And if we change the our data, if we copy our data on the same sheet, every time we get our answer, updated answer here, we don't need to change anything. Just change your data here, you can automatically get your data every month.